Welcome back to the Herbalist channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's as golden as it is powerful: the mixture of turmeric and honey. This combo might just be one of nature's best-kept secrets when it comes to health. Turmeric and honey have been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and for good reason. When combined, they create a powerhouse mixture that has amazing effects on the body. We're going to explore why this duo is so remarkable, how it benefits our health, and how you can easily make it at home. Let's start with turmeric. You've probably seen this bright yellow spice before, maybe in curries or teas. But did you know it has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties? Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which is what gives it its golden color and its powerful health benefits. Curcumin is a natural anti-inflammatory, meaning it helps reduce inflammation in the body. That's why turmeric is often recommended for people with joint pain or arthritis. Inflammation isn't always a bad thing. It's the body's natural response to injury. But chronic inflammation can lead to various health issues, from heart disease to cancer. By adding turmeric to your daily routine, you're giving your body a natural way to reduce inflammation and potentially lower the risk of many diseases. Now let's talk about honey. Honey is more than just a natural sweetener. It's packed with antioxidants and has antibacterial and antiviral properties. It has been used for centuries to help with colds, sore throats, and even skin problems. Raw honey is particularly rich in nutrients, so if you can get your hands on it, go for that option. When combined, turmeric and honey can become an amazing remedy for many ailments. This mixture is often referred to as golden honey, or turmeric honey, because of its vibrant color and healing properties. Now you might be wondering, how exactly does this mixture work? Well, the honey acts as a carrier, helping the body absorb turmeric's curcumin more effectively. It also enhances the taste, making it more palatable. When you take turmeric with honey, you're getting the anti-inflammatory power of turmeric combined with the healing and soothing qualities of honey. Let's take a closer look at some specific health benefits of this golden mixture. First, it's great for boosting immunity. Both turmeric and honey have natural antimicrobial properties, which means they can help fight off infections and keep your immune system strong. This can be especially useful during flu season or whenever you're feeling a bit under the weather. Simply taking a spoonful of this mixture can give your body a natural boost. Another great benefit is that it aids in digestion. If you've ever experienced bloating or indigestion, this mixture could be a game changer. Turmeric has been known to stimulate bile production, which helps break down food and improves digestion. Honey also has enzymes that aid in digestion, making this combo a natural solution for an upset stomach. This mixture is also known to support heart health. Curcumin and turmeric can help lower cholesterol levels and improve blood circulation, while honey's antioxidants help prevent damage to blood vessels. Together, they can help keep your heart in good shape. And here's an interesting one. It may help improve your skin. Both turmeric and honey have been used for centuries in skincare for their anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Taking a small amount of this mixture regularly can help your skin look radiant and clear. Now let's get to the fun part, making this golden mixture. The recipe is super simple, and you probably have all the ingredients at home. Here's what you'll need: 1/4 cup of raw honey, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Start by combining the turmeric powder with the raw honey in a small bowl. Stir it well until the two are thoroughly mixed. You'll end up with a thick golden paste. You can store this in a small glass jar with a lid, and it'll keep well for a couple of weeks. Now here's how to use it. You can take about half a teaspoon of this mixture daily. If the taste is too strong on its own, try mixing it into warm water or milk. Golden milk, for example, is a wonderful way to enjoy this mixture. Simply add a spoonful to a warm glass of milk, and you'll have a comforting drink that's full of health benefits. For an extra kick, you could add a dash of black pepper. Why black pepper, you ask? Well, black pepper contains piperine, which can increase the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. So, a pinch of black pepper can help make this golden paste even more effective. Now, a quick note about safety. While turmeric and honey are natural ingredients, they may not be suitable for everyone. If you're pregnant, nursing, or have any health conditions, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider before adding new remedies to your routine. And remember, while this mixture can be a wonderful addition to a healthy lifestyle, it's not a substitute for medical treatment. All right, let's recap the key points. Turmeric and honey together create a powerful blend with anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial benefits. It's a natural way to support immunity, digestion, heart health, and even skin. And it's easy to make right at home with just 2 ingredients. This golden mixture could be a small daily habit with big potential benefits. So, if you're looking for a natural, effective way to boost your health, why not give turmeric and honey a try? Thank you for tuning in to the Herbalist channel. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips. And if you've tried turmeric and honey before, we'd love to hear about your experience in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy and keep shining.